Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is very short and simple. I'm just going to straighten my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in years, honestly. And I went to my hairstylist, got a trim, and got some layers put in my hair because I wanted something different. I've never had layers before, and I think that it'll be nice. So it's straight to the point. I'm just going to go in here and straighten my hair. Probably throw some curls in here also. And I'm just going to go through my hair once, twice the most, just to get that flat iron straight through. And if you see it sizzling, it's not my hair burning. It's actually the heat protectant. And I'll attach that below. But this is my favorite heat protectant. And it leaves your hair smelling good so it does not smell like flat iron. so I was trying to show you guys my hair color, especially since I removed that semi-permanent red from my hair. But I was getting rushed at this point, and I kind of need to speed up also because I kind of was on a time crunch. So I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair just to loosen up these curls just a bit. And that's about it. I'm just going to change my clothes and I'm on my way. But thank you guys again. This is the end of the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.